Every few years, the camera industry hits a wall, a plateau where the upgrades feel like minor tweaks. But right now, the air in the industry is changing. Rumors about the Nikon Z9 II have reached a fever pitch. We're talking about internal red code RAW integration, a new 46+ megapixel stacked sensor, and the possibility of a hardware-level native ISO 32. But is this the ultimate hybrid beast, or is the hype running faster than the factory? Let's break down exactly what's happening. Ever since Nikon officially brought red digital cinema into the fold, the expectations for the Z9 II shifted from evolution to revolution. The biggest question on everyone's mind is the video pipeline. Can Nikon actually bring internal 12-bit 8.3K red code RAW to a hybrid flagship? If these leaks regarding our 3D open-gate recording are true, we aren't just looking at a mirrorless camera anymore. We're looking at a pocket-sized cinema house. Let's look at the sensor. The Z9 already changed the game with its stacked CMOS, essentially killing the mechanical shutter. The leaks suggest a new chip with up to 3.5x faster readout speeds. Think about what that means. Zero rolling shutter, faster flash syncs, we're talking 1/720s speeds, and a brand new EXPEED processor. And yes, the rumor mill is shouting about native ISO 32. If that holds up, it could give us medium format levels of dynamic range in a full-frame body. That is the kind of leap that shifts the entire market. And this is a big but, you have to manage your expectations. I know some of you are ready to sell your current kit today. However, current supply chain reports and industry insiders are pointing to a release window no earlier than late 2026. Nikon isn't rushing this. They're navigating component procurement and fine-tuning that new thermal management. We might see a development announcement earlier, but don't expect to be shooting a wedding or a world-class sporting event with a Z9 II until much later this year or into 2027. Here's my advice. If your current Z9 or Z8 is getting the job done, keep shooting. The bird on the fence, the athlete on the track, they don't care if you have a Mark II. But if you're a high-end commercial shooter or a cinematographer looking to unify your kit, keep an eye on this space. This camera is shaping up to be the new industry standard, but it's a marathon, not a sprint. What's the one feature that would make you upgrade? Is it the red code RAW integration, or are you just chasing that 60 frames per second full resolution burst? Drop your take in the comments, I'm reading all of them. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve as more confirmed specs drop, make sure you're subscribed. Until next time, keep creating.